The best time to bond a pool is immediately after you install it. In fact, as you're installing it in a lot of cases. So right here we have the grade 8 copper wire that's connected to the heater, and it's going to come back and we're going to connect it to the wall boat. So that's one point. You got to connect it to 4 different points all the way around the pool. So once the uprights are up and you've built the pool, then you can take out the screws of each upright and attach the grade 8 copper wire that goes all the way around the pool. The grade 8 copper wire should be 1.5 feet on the outside of the pool. And then you just elbow it up like this, take out the bottom screw of the upright and attach it there. You take it all the way around the pool. This is after the wall is up. All the way around the pool, and then connect it to your water bonding kit, which is 3 different types. This is the one as a hose fitting. In my opinion, it's the easiest to deal with. And then from there, you go into the back of the pump and attach it to the pump. And that's the easiest way to bond a pool. Afterwards, after the pool is filled with water, then you backfill. At that point, it's to code. Thank you.